Elsa is visiting Seattle for the first time to see the Space Needle. She finally spots it and wonders how far away she is. She's really tired from walking. She knows the Space Needle is 605 feet tall, and in order to see the top from her current location, she has to look up at an angle of 40.8 degrees. So, we're going to draw the Space Needle. Whoop. How about, let's maybe use a straight line and maybe change our color. All right, so here's the Space Needle, and we're assuming that the Space Needle is perpendicular to the ground. So, Space Needle and the ground are perpendicular to each other. So, here's Elsa over here. Elsa's purple. She's a purple people eater. Boop. All right, now, in order to see the top of the Space Needle, she has to look up at an angle of 40.8 degrees. So from where she is standing to the very top, that is a 40.8 degree angle. She knows how tall the Space Needle is. She knows that it's 605 feet tall. So that's this length right here. And what she is wondering is how far away she is, because she doesn't want to keep walking. She just wants to be done. So we have to figure out how far away from the Space Needle is Elsa. So down here is our angle. So here's our theta. And here's the hypotenuse. That's the distance between her sight and the top of the Space Needle. So this is our opposite side, and this is our adjacent. And so if we're going to figure out the distance that she is away, we don't need to know the hypotenuse. There's no information that's going to help us. So the trig ratio that uses opposite and adjacent is the tangent. So we're going to use the tangent of theta, which is the opposite over the adjacent. And so now we're just going to start substituting in. So tangent of 40.8 is equal to 605 divided by x. So remember, when we have x in the denominator, that's when we switch these two pieces. So tangent and the 40.8, those cannot get traded out. They can't get split apart. So we're just going to take these two pieces and switch them. So x is equal to 605 divided by the tangent of 40.8. So when we put that into our calculator, 605 divided by the tangent of 40.8, we're going to round to the nearest tenth, so 700.9. So the distance that she is away, 700, she's about 701 feet away from the Space Needle.